Yung death squad ko? Ang death squad ko, ma'am, is, of course, it is organized. Hanggang dyan lang.
Ano po yung structure ng organization na iyon?
Against criminals.
Hindi po, yun yung task siguro na binigay niyo. Pero anong structure ng death squad niya iyon?
Structure against crime and criminals.
Ibig sabihin, ano po yung setup? At sino yung 7 yon na miyembro ng death squad
Fight
niyo?
crime.
No sir, yung pangalan nung sabi niyo, 7 tao na nasa death squad niyo.
Mukhang patay naman sila lahat, ma'am.
It's okay sir, ano pong mga pangalan nila?
You know, when I was mayor, it's about 43. I am now 73. For the life of me, I cannot remember the name.
And ano po yung structure nung 7 yon? Merong bang team leader, may 2 tenyente, then may 4 pa na tao? Ano po yung structure ng organization na iyon?
I said I am 73 years old. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit nandito ako kaharap mo.